I recently invested $800 in cash into an Instagram theme page in the survival niche with 60,000 followers, and in this video I am going to be turning those followers into money by starting up a dropshipping business on Instagram, promoting it on my Instagram feed, and hopefully getting some sales. Guys, this video is about to be absolutely insane as I am about to start my first ever dropshipping store exclusively on Instagram in hopes of reaching that millionaire status like my boy Tekashi69.
Freeway.
Alright guys, so to start this video off, we have to do some research of some products we would like to add to our Shopify dropshipping store when we create it in the future. I have been doing some research luckily before this video began, and I have a list of items right here that I want to start selling. And those include a multifunctional shovel, a water purifier, a tactical backpack, and a bunch of other unique products that people would love to use when they go camping. With the products now picked out for our Shopify website, it is time to move on to phase 2 of the business setup, which is where we create the actual dropshipping store. This process may take a while because although I've created many different dropshipping stores over the past couple of months, I've never created one with more than one product like the one I'm about to create. And well, I was right. Over the next several hours, I worked hard trying to figure out how to build a multi-product Shopify dropshipping store, and little by little, I started to complete the store's general design. When suddenly, a friend of mine by the name of Chong the Robot, who has built many dropshipping stores for me in the past, offered to help me build the store, and over the next 72 hours, he constructed a beautifully designed multi-product Shopify store, and once I saw it, I knew it was time to make some money with it. I don't know if you guys can tell by how classy I am suddenly dressed, but right now I mean business. And I project wearing this nice button-up shirt right now will at least 2 to 3x revenue from the company within the first 7 days of this challenge. So guys, with that being said, I also want to let you all know that this challenge video won't be as structured as my videos normally are, as I will be driving out to visit my brother who lives 1,241 miles away. But guys, that won't stop me from making that paper on Instagram, because over this next 7-day adventure, I am going to be posting 3 times per day on my Instagram feed, with at least one of those posts promoting one of my dropshipping products on my website, thecamper.us. On top of that way of advertising, I am also going to be posting 3 times per day on my Instagram story, with at least one story post promoting a dropshipping product. With the strategy for this Shopify challenge now set in place, it is time to get a good night's rest, and I will see you all tomorrow morning for the start of this 7-day dropshipping adventure. Hello everybody, and welcome to day 1 of this Shopify dropshipping challenge. I'm coming at you guys with a business update at about 8:31 p.m. tonight, and the reason I haven't given you guys an update any sooner is because I've literally been in the car the entire day and I haven't had a good opportunity to talk to you guys. So I'm coming at you now in the middle of a parking lot at the hotel I'm staying at in Rapid City, South Dakota. With that being said, guys, I have some bad news to share with you, and I also have some good news. Starting with the bad news, unfortunately, so far, I have not gotten a single sale on my Shopify dropshipping website. Despite posting an Instagram post on my feed promoting one of the hammocks from my website, the post got a total of 696 likes in 14 hours, but I still did not get any sales. Now moving on to the good news, I still ended up making some Instagram money today as I sold an Instagram story shout out for $15. Overall, I am excited to see how my dropshipping store starts to perform as I continuously post, because it only makes sense that the more I post, the more money I will start to make. So guys, with that being said, tomorrow is going to be a much more interesting day for the business, as I am going to be promoting a different product from the website with a little giveaway strategy and also with an Instagram story slideshow. Good morning, everyone. It is currently 8:03 a.m. and to start the morning off, you already know I posted the giveaway announcement on my Instagram page. The way this could turn extremely profitable is basically I posted a picture on my page featuring one of the products from my website. And then so the post gains exposure, I asked each person who wanted to enter the giveaway for the product to comment down below tagging 3 of their friends, hearting the picture, and make sure that they're following the page Bushcraft Camp. And then in a 24-hour period, I will announce the winner of the giveaway. And then for everyone who didn't win, I will be giving them a constellation offer, offering them 20% off one of the products on my website. I am super excited to see how this 24-hour giveaway post does. The post is already sitting at a staggering 79 likes and 5 comments within only 5 minutes of being up. So guys, with that being said, I think this post is going to do very well for the page in terms of both organic growth and in the future profitability. So with that being said, I will give you guys an update in a few hours. Yo guys, I am in the car on my way to Custard State Park where you get to see a bunch of buffaloes, and my Instagram theme post has now been live for a solid 8 hours and is currently sitting at 678 likes, which is not good, but it's also not bad. A good post on my page at this point would be sitting at about 1,000 to 1,500 likes. So although the post isn't performing well, it's getting quite a few comments, and this could turn into a major monetization potential in the upcoming days. On top of the Instagram feed post, I also posted on my Instagram story promoting one of the outdoor cookware sets on my webpage. And pretty much how the Instagram story slideshow went is in the first slide, I advertised the product and I asked my followers if they personally use one when they go camping. And then in the next slide, I told the people who said no to that question to go swipe up and buy one from my website. So guys, with that being said, I really hope this story post performs well in terms of bringing in some money for the business. And now with that all being said, let's head to Custard State Park, look for some buffalo, and then hopefully I make some money while I'm at it. We just skirted over to Custard State Park, and well guys, I have some pretty good news to share with you. We just got a sale on one of the cookware items on the Shopify website for a total of $49.99 in revenue. Getting that first sale on a brand new Shopify store is always super exciting. So with that being said, let's enjoy our time at Custard State Park, look for some buffalo, and if I get any more sales, I will be sure to let you guys know. Guys, I am so sorry, but I really wasn't able to film a whole lot during vacation because most of my days were spent either in the car or in places that would be really awkward to film. So with that being said, I'm going to continue the rest of this video here in the Financial Wolf studio. This morning, I ended up posting both an Instagram feed post and story advertising the website's water filter product. And although my story post got over 1,000 views and my feed post got over 500 likes, no sales were generated, and I think I know the reason why. Every single day, the Shopify store is getting between 25 and 50 visits, so it is definitely getting traffic, but for some reason, almost no sales are coming in as the conversion rate is super low. So that means the issue comes down to the site's overall design. So guys, I am going to spend some quality time over the rest of the day today, revamping the site to make it more appealing to potential buyers. Hopefully after that is all done, we will at least be getting 1 sale on the site per day, and money will really start adding up. Hola amigos, welcome to another day of this challenge. I just revamped the entire Shopify store, and finally today is going to be a very exciting day because I am going to be announcing the winner of the giveaway post I made a few days ago in this challenge. As of right now, the giveaway post is sitting at 1,114 likes, 78 comments, so that gives the business 77 potential customers who would maybe buy something from the website. With that all being said, I am literally going to be messaging every single person, both the winners and non-winners of the giveaway, and hopefully we make some paper.
1 hour later.
I just finished messaging literally all of my followers involved in the giveaway post, and on top of doing that, I also announced both the giveaway winner, and I let everyone know that if they did not win the giveaway, they can still redeem a 20% off coupon on thecamper.us site-wide for any products they may want. Guys, I really hope this generates some serious coinage for the business, but as always, only time will tell the results of this, so I will see you guys tonight. It is currently 9:06 p.m. on July 21st, 2020, and as you guys can see, we ended up making a total revenue of $56 today off of one total order, which is not too shabby. I did the math and it turns out that we made enough revenue today to cover the cost of the giveaway and still have a little bit left over in terms of profit, which is just super awesome. Even after the 20% discount code I supplied, the margins on the specific item that I'm giving away remains at about 55%, which makes this whole giveaway thing a minor success. Welcome to another day of this challenge, and well, today I'm thinking we should take a massive risk with the Shopify business. I just paid the Instagram theme pages Survival Tools, Bushcraft Stuff, and Bushcraft Shelter a total of $60 for a 24-hour feed post and link in bio to advertise one of our dropshipping products. As of right now, I have not gotten a single sale on the Shopify dropshipping website, but the theme page posts have only been live for about 1 hour, and so far we have already gotten 60 views and a grand total of 2 add to carts. Guys, I have a super good feeling about this promotion. I've worked with a couple of these pages in the past, and the promotions have always gone super well. So guys, with that all being said, wish me luck. Well guys, I don't mean to flex on all of you, but we might as well go ahead and pre-order the Lamborghini right now, as the Shopify store didn't just get 1 sale yesterday, it didn't just get 2 sales, but it got a grand total of 3 sales, meaning that after all product costs and marketing costs, we came out with a profit of $63 for the business yesterday. And believe it or not, that's still a lot of money for a noob dropshipper like me. And on top of that massive success, yesterday I ended up closing an influencer shout out for a fat $30, which is absolutely insane. At this point, the money is really starting to stack up for this challenge. So to finish things off, I am going to post a page post subtly advertising the cookware set from our website, and hopefully we can get at least 1 or 2 sales from our audience or people who view the post from the Instagram Explore page. Guys, I am just so depressed right now because the Instagram page post I made yesterday got absolutely 0 sales for the business, which is just so disappointing. But you know what guys, it doesn't matter because we still secured a profit today selling an Instagram feed post and story post for $35. And that brings our total profit for this experiment to $214.13. So guys, with that all being said, if you guys want to be cool like me and try Shopify dropshipping for a week, please be sure to go to the top link down below in the description, get your 14-day free trial with Shopify, and you won't need to pay anything for the service for the first 2 weeks of use. On that note, make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe to the channel down below if you enjoyed this video, and peace out.